Want to have your best year ever in 2026? It's not going to happen by accident. It starts with what you're doing right now. Here are 5 steps I'm taking to future proof my real estate business before the year ends, plus one powerful strategy around AI that can help you scale faster without burning out. Number 1, run a year-end business audit. Every year, I take a hard look at what actually worked and what didn't, which lead sources converted, what marketing got real engagement, and what drained my energy or cost me time without any results. I use this time to refine what to keep, what to cut, or just double down on. It's not about metrics, it's about aligning what's sustainable and profitable moving forward. Number 2, clean and segment your database. I'm going into 2026 with a database that's clean, it's tagged, and it's segmented. That means I know who are my past clients, who's likely to move, and who I just need to keep in touch with. I'm building tailored campaigns for each group because general follow-up just doesn't drive referrals. Relevant follow-up does. Number 3, plan smarter, not just harder. Before January hits, I'm mapping out a full Q1 marketing strategy. This includes emails, social posts, short form video, and even mailers. I don't want to be scrambling for content when business picks up. I want to be executing a plan that's already in motion. Number 4, leveraging AI to multiply your impact. See, AI is no longer a future tool, it's your current advantage. I'm using AI right now to write first drafts of emails, auto-generate market reports, analyze our CRM data to identify warm leads, and even script video content just like this one. The key isn't replacing yourself, it's automating the tasks that don't require you so you can focus more on client relationships, strategy, and negotiations. If you're not experimenting with tools like ChatGPT, AI-powered CRMs, or predictive lead scoring, you're leaving serious money and time on the table. Number 5, make time for strategy, not just hustle. Last but definitely not least, I block off a day in November every year just for business planning. That means stepping away from transactions, looking at trends, and setting clear goals and systems for next year. If you don't create space to think strategically, you'll spend 2026 reacting instead of leading. So 2026 is coming with or without a plan. So the question is, are you going to just hustle randomly or build a business that's leaner, smarter, and ready to grow? If you'd like help creating a personalized strategy from AI tools to database systems to content planning, call or text me. I'd love to share what's working with us and how you can hit the ground running next year.